That is a bona fide gator. Oh my goodness. I've got to get up close on that.
Why they aggravating, man?
Oh my goodness.
You need to get him out the league.
I know that gator.
That come from them folks feeding him.
He keeps messing with us.
That gator is y'all. People been feeding him. That's why he come around. People stop feeding him, they wouldn't come around.
I got a gator. I got a video of a gator.
Different. No, that's the same one.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Do what they do.
Man, I can't stand that gator.
Be careful that you don't get tangled. No.
Wow.
That's the first time seeing an alligator in captivity? Come on, they're not in captivity.
That's not
I don't
captivity.
mean captivity.
In wild,
I
yes.
mean in the wild.
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's an everyday thing for us.
Well, we just moved down here, so it's like...
Don't touch him. Don't mess with him. Don't
Yeah,
mess with
Ohio.
him. Stop messing with him. Try to make him go over here. All right, I'm